So the rain isn't going to stop us today. Education and knowledge builds confidence, and that is the most important piece. So today I am responding to a great question that we had come in with our Ladies Spring Jeep Quick Tip Guide video series, and I'm so excited. I am out here in the rain for you ladies. So the question was, my Jeep pushes through the brakes when I am in four-wheel drive low. So I will tell you, I have the exact same problem with my Jeep. When I am in four low and I am locked, so this is a Rubicon, I have the 410 gears and I have the 4-to-1 transfer case, which means my low end when I put it in four low is going to be really low. So when I put this down in four low and I have my lockers on, when I go to push the brakes on the trail, it wants to push through. If I take my foot off the brake, it goes even if I don't give it gas. So that is a great question. What you're gonna need to do if your Jeep is pushing through the brake is you're gonna have to do a brake upgrade. I know, more upgrades, right ladies? Oh, it's never ending, but this is for safety too. So you're gonna need to go to a bigger brake setup to go ahead and offset the gearing and the reduction that you have in your Jeep if it is pushing through the brake. Now, in the meantime, for safety, a quick tip that you can use when you're out on the trail, you put it in four low, especially if you have lockers, but even if you're in four low and you notice it pushes through the brake, when you are getting ready to stop, just know that your Jeep is going to try to push through that brake. So as you're going, put it in neutral. So whether you have a manual or an automatic, drop it into neutral and then press your brake. Stay in neutral till you're ready to go again and then put it in drive. And just know if your Jeep is pushing through the brake, when you take your foot off the brake, it is going to go. So just keep that in mind if you are having that issue as well with your Jeep, especially if you're out on the trails. So definitely put the brake upgrade on your list, but until then, that is a safety tip to help you while you're out trail riding. Have a wonderful day, ladies. Thank you for jumping on here with me for our Ladies Spring Quick Tip Guide video. I'm Kristen DeLieber from LadyJeepers.com. We have lots of great tips coming up for you, so keep an eye out for us. And I believe that knowledge and education builds confidence. Confidence in our ability as well as confidence in ourselves because we know what we need to know when it comes to the Jeep. So jump on with me for our next quick tip video. Bye, ladies.